Yeah, you wanna play some dress up for Vogue? Yes, let's fucking do it! Hey Vogue, and welcome to my lovely abode. Come with me. Okay, so can you go ahead and shuffle that for me? Believe the cards, trust the cards. You got the Princess of Discs. You're a pretty cool person. What's up, what's up? A night in for me consists primarily of revitalizing myself. So I do a lot of meditation, yoga, tarot cards, baths to heal myself. Here's my bedroom. It's my lovely safe space. I'm gonna put on a record. I'm taking Britney Spears off. Typically in my own time, I'm not really listening to Britney Spears. Here are my crystals. We have a bunch. I'm in tune with my lepidolite because it really helps me with my intuition. Keeps them on my third eye, which is the chakra that it pertains to. So I would really, really recommend for you guys to get some good old aquamarine, or at least a tiger's eye. Aquamarine, tiger's eye. Just kind of helps everything flow and calm me and protect me at the same time. I'm kind of the person that gives a book to all of my friends all of the time. Where are you? I am reading Women Who Run with Wolves. It's an amazing book if you're a wild woman, and you kind of already know what that means if you are one. I really, really, really love this deck. I am no expert in tarot cards, but I try my best. You can start with the basic past, present, future reading. As I shuffle them, I'm gonna think about my life in a general sense. Today I got success. I'm feeling pretty successful. Here's some of my Florida water. Dab some of it on, it's good for protection. In my bath today, I'm using Witch Queen herbs and blessings to prepare me for tomorrow, to make me grateful of today. Gotta keep the coconut oil and the shea moisture close, feel me? Essentials. Tibetan bowls are a way we can conjure binaural beats and Ashashanic tones, which are really helpful in aiding with you to meditate. This is a part of the evening routine every night, a part of the going out routine, a part of the whenever I need it routine. Your body is always speaking to you when you need a little extra when you're feeling not so vibrant. These are one of the things that can really help you to get you to where you need to be. They're really, really, really relaxing. If you don't buy your own, you can go to a sound bath ceremony and you would really love it. You would really benefit from it. There's so much happening in our busy lives that it's so important to take moments where we stop. Where are you going? I can't lie, I play the PlayStation. It's my guiltiest of pleasures. I'm really good at games in general. I never play longer than I've ever meditated. Like, my longest meditation session is something about a good, 4 hours. You guys definitely are breaking my zone, but let me check the school. Oh! There's no way! This is my roommate, Teresa! Yeah, you wanna play some dress up for Vogue? Yes! Yeah, dress up is something we do often as women. We just love it.
We love it.
Hey Vogue, it's Indira Scott here. I just want to let you guys know that my videos were filmed before the breakout pandemic coronavirus. There are a whole plethora of amazing things you can do inside to keep yourself entertained, but it is very important that you do that. Please stay inside. Please practice social distancing. We're all in this together.